Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. A little bright out here today. This time we're going to keep simple, just doing a simple overnight. Out here in the reservoir, been out here before. Got some new stuff as always. It's not too bad out here right now. The weather's upper 80s, a little bit of a breeze. Supposed to get down to 60 tonight. Should be pretty good. I'm looking forward to it. So as you can see, I bought a pop-up. So let's check it out. Bought the shade wall to go with it. It's kind of blocking my breeze, but I think it'll be all right. Nice shady place to sit down. You can see the dam out there in the distance. I'm supposed to have water right up to my campsite, but obviously that ain't happening. Not too bad. Best thing is there's nobody out here. I'm all by myself again, which is the way I like it. Saw the clown on my way out. Got an iced coffee. I like that. There's nobody here. I got a picnic table. I got shade now. This life's pretty good. I'm just kind of winging it. It is a little warm though. I'm starting to sweat a little bit being out of the wind. We're gonna walk down here and take a look around. We're looking out from what's called the Point. You can see the dam off there in the distance. And you can't even see the truck from where we're at. Oh, maybe you can. I don't know, it's off over that direction somewhere. Truck's over there. Good news is there's cool rocks here, and I like rocks. So I'm pretty excited to see this. Huh. The breeze feels good though. Walk over here was a little warm. Just another gorgeous sunset on the plains. Alright, well we need to get back up here. So, where to go? Oh, right there's a trail. Alright, let's get this bad boy fired up. She's boiling. It's working its magic. Well, we got beer. While we're waiting for dinner to cook. Have the good stuff. So what have you guys been up to? You been staying busy the last couple of weeks? I've just been working, usual. Phone says 73. I was just in the truck getting a bottle opener, and the truck is 77 right now. It's a little too toasty in there for me to sleep. So we're gonna hang out here tonight for a little bit. To either the lantern goes dead or I just can't stand the bugs anymore. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a nice night shot of the dam. The lights on it. It's off in the distance there. Nice and cool in the breeze tonight. Well, the bugs got too bad outside. I couldn't stand it anymore. So we moved in. I'm going to finish watching the movie and get some sleep. It's a toasty 74 degrees in here right now, but I got a few bugs, but I got a fan. I'll run that tonight, and wow. There's a crap load of bugs in here. Anyway, I'm going to get some sleep. We'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. You can probably hear that, but I got breakfast going. Corned beef, what do they call it? Corned beef hash. I have a couple eggs with it. So anyway, it was one of those nights. I finished watching that movie, which was pretty good, and went to bed, and I woke up about 1 o'clock by the sound of the wind taking my easy up away. Yeah, so it was me and the coyotes out here in the bugs at 1 a.m. pulled the easy up. Slid it about 30 feet. No coffee this morning either. Let's take a look at the hash as it's cooking. So there's the hash going over there. So anyway, I was up at 1 o'clock doing that, and then I couldn't get to sleep. And about 3:30, for whatever reason, I looked out the back window. There's headlights out here. A couple cars wandering around at 3:30 in the morning. Not gonna be long now. Now we need eggs. We brought the real deal. These are, there we go. These are farm eggs. And I didn't bring my salt and pepper. I got a mess going everywhere here this morning. It's crazy. It's crazy awful. I think I ruined my board. I decided I didn't want coffee this morning, so we're gonna drink a soda. We'll say it was a beautiful night last night. It was 58 in the camper this morning when I woke up. It was perfect. It's good sleeping weather if I could have slept. So one thing I did right today, got the eggs right. Corned beef hash is right there. Eggs is right here. Man, the secret ingredient this time is avocado sauce. See that? Guacamole avocado sauce with habanero pepper. My wife picked it up somewhere. I don't know where she got it, but I've been kind of eating on it. It's pretty good. Got more than a little kick to it. So we're going to try that on here this morning. It does not take much, he says as he dumps a bunch on. It's kind of disgusting looking with the green sauce on there, but there you go. We got things going. A little freaking bright, you know what I'm saying? A little bright. Maybe you can see it, but it is bright out there. Check that out. Whew. That's crazy bright. Here, there's breakfast half eaten. Decided to wander around the SWA. I've never been down here before. Different one, same SWA, different area than the one we were in previously. It's got a pretty good view over here. I'll tell you right away, there's not nearly as many bugs here as there was over at the campground. Man, I'd love to camp here. This would be fantastic. Right here on the rocks, nobody around. Sadly, I don't think they allow camping in this part of the SWA. What are the chances I'd get busted? Maybe someday I sneak out here and just spend the night. We'll see. I can show you why they don't allow camping down here. Somebody's been down here, left a frickin' mess. Beer bottles, food wrappers, cigarette wrappers. All right, well, it is beautiful scenery. It's not too hot yet, so I think I'm gonna be a good human and pick this garbage up and haul it out of here. Because that's what you do, right? I don't know if I'll get all of it, but I got an extra bag. We can clean it up. Well, I'm trying to work my way out of here now. I picked up what I could. Some of it was just too disgusting. I don't have any glove. And I got hand sanitizer with me, but worst part was I got it all picked up and the bag's leaking, so I don't want to put it in my truck. So I got it like tied to the back of the truck. I'm trying to get out of here without ripping the bag or something. We'll see how it works. No good deed goes unpunished. The one thing this trip's done for me is it's got me excited for fall. Getting up this morning, it's 60 degrees out. That's where it's at. By the time you see this, it's going to be September. It won't be long after that we'll get our first freeze. The bugs will die off, and that's what I'm excited for. Cannot wait to come out here and have no bugs. Have a place to myself. It'll be fantastic. Well, that's another one in the books. Had a lot of fun, really enjoyed it. Always nice to be out in a camper. This one didn't go as well as I'd hoped, but hey, it's always an adventure. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.